Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be making mint fudge muffins, and I'll be using my homemade muffin mix that I made the other day, and I'll leave the link down below for that. What all goes into the mint fudge muffins: 2½ cups of the homemade muffin mix, 1/3 cup vegetable oil or melted butter. I'm going to be using vegetable oil, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, this is optional, 1 cup milk, 1 cup of my mint fudge baking chunks, and I'm going to melt some semi-sweet chocolate chips to drizzle on top. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Grease or line your muffin tin, and I've already lightly grease this. I wouldn't have to, they are silicone. But what's nice about these is that you can just set them in the oven as is because it's got the metal. This is the Boxiki 12-cup muffin pan. Dave bought it for me last year for Christmas. This is the first time I got around to making muffins or cupcakes. I also have a couple of other Boxiki pans that I have that I will leave in the description box below as well. Anyway, I just wanted to show this to you because it is so cool. Never used this one yet. Take a large bowl, whisk together your 1 cup of milk, your 1/3 cup of vegetable oil or melted butter. By using the vegetable oil, you don't have to worry about cooking the egg with the melted butter. The 1 egg and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and whisk that until thoroughly mixed. And then gradually add your 2½ cups of the homemade muffin mix. And I'm going to just add a little bit at a time. Makes it easier to stir that way. And they do say to dump it all in and just mix until just mixed. And I probably should do that, so we'll dump the rest in. And mix that until just combined. So I goofed up there. So just dump it all in at once and then stir until it's just combined. It's a very loose batter, so it was easy to mix. Then take your add-in, whatever you're adding it in, whether it's chocolate chips, berries, nuts, or whatever, and put it into your batter. And I'm using the 1 cup of the mint fudge chunks. And fold that in. So now that your batter is mixed, spoon the batter into your muffin pan, filling it about 3/4 full. I think these are going to be good. And I've never made this muffin mix before, so I don't know if it's any good or not. We'll find that out too. I may have a little bit left, so I'll have to get another muffin pan out. All right, so I ended up with 16. These 4 spur of the moment, last minute thing, I just put them in the cupcake liners. Put them in a preheated 375-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. All right, so these baked for 19 minutes. The other ones, there's a couple of them that aren't quite done. But let me check this to see. Let's see, this one is the least brown, and it is done. And then these are the most brown. And of course, they're done. We'll let them cool in the pan for a couple of minutes before moving them to wire racks to cool completely. All right, I had to let my phone charge, but I did want to show you how to remove these muffins. You just take on the bottom, you just push up. It's hot, so I'm using the pot holder, but just I'll do it where you can see it. You just push the bottom of the muffin cup up like that and remove it. All right, so they've cooled a little bit. I decided I want to go ahead and drizzle them now. I did put parchment paper underneath the cooling racks just so I don't make a mess on my stove. All right, I switched to milk chocolate chips because my semi-sweet chocolate chips, when I dumped them in the bowl, they were old and gross looking, so I switched to milk chocolate. So you want to put these in the microwave and melt them, and every 30 seconds stir it. Keep cooking them until they are melted and smooth. All right, so after a minute and a half, I have my drizzle spoon and just take and do a little bit of drizzle over it. So there we have it. We're going to let them cool completely, and then I'll put them in an airtight container until Dave gets home. So here are the mint fudge muffins made from my homemade muffin mix. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I don't see any green in there, but it's kind of a minty flavor.
That is mint fudge muffins made with my homemade muffin mix.
Oh, it's good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.